Guys, I'm FX right here, the prophetic analyst. Welcome back to my channel. So today, for this week, we for this week market forecast and analysis. For this is the last week for the month of November. So this market projection will last us for the 27th to the 1st of December. Okay, so this is apparently the last week for the month of November. So we are going to look at some pace in which we are going to trade for the week, okay, and the best possible areas for entries and exit. So please do well to watch the video to the end. Also turn on post notification and also smash the subscribe button, like and share. All right, so without further ado, let's get over to the business of the day. All right, so first we are going to start with NZDUSD. Okay, NZDUSD, you can see how it played out last week, which I'm going to add the before and after somewhere around in this video. So this is how it played out last week. Right, so price may retrace into this zone and it will continue to the upside. All right, so either of these scenarios will be what we'll be looking out for NZDUSD or price. Okay, welcome back. So you can see how NZDUSD played out last week, in which we projected price buying from this area. Okay, you can see those blue lines are still there, those blue arrows indications are still there. So NZDUSD, we have been bullish, super bullish for the past 4 weeks. Okay, since when price broke out of this range here, which price created left shoulder, a head and a right shoulder. So hence why we have been buying for consistently for the past few weeks, which signals has been sent to our free Telegram community. So if you are not on a free Telegram community, please do well to click on the link on the description below to join our free Telegram community. And all videos have also been made, okay, on here on YouTube. Okay, so you can watch our previous videos to see how we have been able to swing in NZDUSD. We have been on so much winning streak of over 6 weeks now, okay, for a straight winning streak of on currency pace on over 6 weeks now, and you can see how it played out. So yeah, from the before video you can see how it played out. So we were looking for price to react off this area and a bullish continuation to the upside. So coming to this current week, okay, which is the last week of November. Okay, so looking at the higher time frame, this is our daily time frame. Okay, or let's go to our weekly time frame though. Okay, our weekly time frame, we can see NZDUSD has been so much on a very nice bearish trend. Okay, NZDUSD has been on a bearish trend, so hence we are seeing price creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows formations. Okay, so this way we are going to go to our next possible area is the daily time frame. We can't really see much on the daily time frame, so we scale down to our 4-hour time frame to look at market structure or best possible place to make entries. Okay, so now we are on a 4-hour time frame. This is the area in which we wanted price to do what price to, okay, price to buy, retrace and continuation to the upside like we did last week. Okay, so that's how we took that buys. Okay, so now where is the possible area in which we can continue the buys for NZDUSD? Okay, so since we know that NZDUSD is on a very strong bullish trend, okay, so looking left, we look for the base, for the nearest resistance level, which is somewhere around here. Okay, so price is quite almost close to our next resistance level, which is here, okay, which is the 0.611 area. Okay, 0.611 area there. So now how can we make entries of these areas? So what we just look out for is a lower time frame retracement. Okay, maybe we are not having much volume here on the higher time frame, I'll look for price to retrace to the 0.6. Okay, that's the 0.60602 area, which is this is what we look out for. Okay, price to retrace inside here and a bullish continuation to the upside. Okay, but for the meantime, we can scale down to our 1 hour time frame so that we can see this market structure properly. Okay, so price may create more like a double top here, price retracement inside this zone. Okay, let me take this out. Price retracement inside this zone, which is a 0.6060602. Okay, and a bullish continuation to the upside, or we'll see price come into the 0.046. Okay, the 0.6045. okay, so first level here is our 0.0602 area. Okay, for price to come inside this area and a bullish continuation to the upside. All right, so that's it for NZD USD. Okay, for NZD USD. So next up is GDPUSD. GDPUSD is nothing much. Okay, same thing. We start from our higher time frame, looking for the best possible areas for entries and continuations. Though, okay, like you guys can see, we have been swinging all these trades for over 6 weeks. Okay, you can look at our previous videos, and see how we were able to make all these entries. Everything is here. It has been properly documented here on YouTube. Okay, you can see how we have predicted all these buys. Okay, all these buys concordantly. So even though you were able to make an entry from this first instant, okay, you would have been swinging the trades for over a month now. Okay, for the whole month you would have been swinging this trade with us to the upside. So where can we make the best possible entries for GDPUSD? Okay, if we look left, okay, seeing the nearest resistance level is this highs, okay, which is the 1.2 here. Okay, 1.273 area. Okay, so that's the next resistance level up there. So where is the best possible area for us to make a bullish continuation to the upside? Okay, so on the 4 hour, first level, we'll be looking for price retracement into this area and a continuation to the upside. All right, so let me zoom this inside. All right, price retracing inside here, inside the 1.2504 area, then a bullish continuation. But if you want to, for the swing traders and the day traders and scalpers, there's still a meantime high here, okay, which we can still make something out of it. Okay, which is, so this is the first level, okay, which we will look for bullish continuations to the upside. Okay, which is the 1.25502. okay, first level area is 1.255 to the upside, or we look at price coming into the next level, which is this other level down here, which is the 1.2504. so either of these two scenarios is where we are looking for price continuation to the upside. So we are still very much bullish on GDPUSD, and NZDUSD. Okay, so these are the two scenarios for these two pairs. So up next is AUDUSD. Okay, AUDUSD, we have been buying AUDUSD since Wednesday. Okay, even since last week. Okay, you can see where I started in the before and the after. I will add this somewhere around this video. Okay, I said price will break out of these highs and retest here and a bullish continuation to the upside. So that's why we still have this blue marker here. So I will still extend it to this other side. So we are still expecting more bullish continuations to the upside. See, we still have a trade running here, and our target is 0.665 531. All right, so I sent a signal out to our free telegram community, which over 400 people plus. Okay, you can see 400 people plus subscribers. They are on a free telegram community. We're able to catch the trade all the way to the upside. So we still keep our bias same. Okay, our bullish bias same all the way to the upside. So that's it for AUD USD. Up next is Euro USD. Euro USD, we were looking for price to retrace to this zone, okay, to this black area. We're looking for price to retrace to this zone before a bullish continuation to the upside, but this did not happen. Rather, price did what? Price rather reacted from this area. Okay, price, this is what price did. Price created a new high and a new higher low to respect its previous high and a continuation to the upside. So where is the best possible area for entry on the Euro USD for me? Right, so looking at this, looking at what price is doing on the higher time frame, okay, even though I have to plot my trend line, okay, if I have to plot my trend line, price has actually bounced there, okay, giving us a third touch of that trend line. So the best possible area for me, best possible area would have been this area in which price had reacted, which is a third touch here on that trend line. Okay, so anything price open or market open will still be very much bullish, but let's look left. Okay, or if we want to be conservative enough, guys, if we want to be conservative enough, this is what we are going to do. We'll wait for price to break out of these highs. Okay, take out this high, all right, retraced inside and a push to the upside. So for Euro USD, let's be patient enough. Since we have already missed the entry from here, let's wait for price to take out this high and a push continuation to the upside. Or better still, also we could see some sell retracements to the downside for Euro USD, and we can also take this level. Okay, I'll carry this to this area. We can also, if price may want to sell from this downside and break out of this trend line, let's say if price breaks out of this trend line, we test this red line and push to the downside, we'll be looking at price pushing all the way to 0. Price will push to this black area, which is the 1.074 area. Okay, so but I will really favor the upside more than the downside, but be it as it may, and price wishes to do its thing, we would be looking at the next level sell retracement into 1.0745 area. Okay, so that's it for Euro USD. Up next is gold. Okay, Xauusd. You guys saw how we how we predicted gold to into precision. Okay, you guys saw how we predicted gold into precision. Okay, how we predicted gold to. I'm going to put the before and the after somewhere around this video. Okay, first level for gold bullish continuation will be our 1975 area. Next level is a 1959 area. Welcome back. You can see how price was able to play out from last week of gold in this zone. This were the same zones in which we marked out for gold to continue to the upside. All right, and price did what price respected our level in which we marked out. Okay, and a push continuation to the upside. So these things are skill sets. Okay, so if you want to trade the way that we do well to DM me to join our mentorship, to get our mentorship, so that you can always see what you see and predict price projections to the same area. Okay, trading should be easy. Your confirmation should be easy. It shouldn't be something that should be difficult for you to do. Okay, so looking at this current week, what price was still doing as at last week, price also tested here. I wish I was still looking at gold. Okay, maybe the anxiety of taking this trade and all, we missed our second entry here. Second entry would have been somewhere around here, maybe the close of this first or second bearish engulfing candle okay, we would have had our entry something like this. Okay, but it's not too late. Okay, although it's late, but it's not too late. I would say you guys put, but the stop loss will be too much. So what do you have to do to redefine this area? So what we'll have to do is to be patient enough for price to still retrace into this little zone. Okay, there's a little zone, minor zone there. Let me scale down to 1 hour time frame so that you guys can see better. Okay, there's a minor zone here on the hourly time frame, so I'll mark that out. Let me use this. I'll mark this out. Okay, so there's a minor zone here on the hourly time frame, so we could see price retrace into this zone. If price retraces into this zone and give me a bullish engulfing candle close to the upside, then I'll buy gold to the upside. Okay, I'll continue the bullish sentiment to the upside. Okay, this minor zone, which is the 1996 area, if gold retraces to the 1996 area and push to the upside, then I'll join gold from there. Also, our first level is the 1996 area to the upside, then our second level for entry, okay, is the 1991, okay, which is this zone here. Still same zones, guys, still same zones, the 1996 area to the upside or the 1991 area to the upside. So that's it for gold, guys. So up next is GDPJPY. GDPJPY has a very nice trend. Okay, it has a very nice trend for us to trade. So we can see that GDPJPY from our higher time frame has been on a bullish trend too, has been on a very nice bullish trend, guys. So price is still trying to, let's go to our 4-hour time frame. Price is trying to take out these highs, okay, which it has taken out slightly. Okay, the price has taken out this high, so we'll look for a meantime retracement to continue. So how can we enter, okay, or continue this buy, these buys? Okay, this buy how can we join these buy continuations? So I'll mark out this area. Okay, but let's go to our 1 hour time frame so that we can see clearly. So this is what we'll be looking out for, price to retrace into the 187 area and a push to the upside. Okay, 187 area, the push to the upside. So this would be our first entry for looking, first area to look out for entry, the 187 area, or the second level would still be our 186.77 area. Okay, so either of these zones we'll be looking out for GDPJPY for a bullish continuation for this space on GDPJPY. So that's it. Okay, that's it, guys, for our weekly market analysis. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you could be notified each time we drop more forex educational content like this. And if you're not on our free Telegram community, click on the link on the description below to join our free Telegram community. And you can also follow me on all social media platforms, on Twitter especially at Maya_FX. Okay, so follow me on Twitter. There I drop forex nugget and educational content there too. So without further ado, see you guys on the next one.